Hello everyone, welcome back to another live stream. Today I'm so excited because today is Monday. It's been 2 days without me trading the currencies and I'm so excited. So let's get started. I don't want to waste any of your time. First of all, I'm sorry that the stream is a little bit late, and this was because I was dealing with other things. I was planning the business for the week. So let's just get started. So we're going to start off with Euro USD, and I'm gonna be analyzing this market on a 1 hour time frame and see if we can get some good trades. We'll start off with how this market have been moving. So if you look at this market right here, you can see that this market have been moving to the downside, then it went up, it went down, it created this zone here. So in a long term, we can clearly say that this market is in a downtrend, and we can all agree from this point right here that this market is pushing to the downside. Now we want to know when to buy and when to sell. Before we move forward, I almost forgot, these are not signals. Just for a disclaimer, these are not signals, this is not financial advice. This is just my ideas of what I think the market is gonna do today and how I'm gonna place my own trade. So if you really like my trading and if you really like my strategies and my style, you can copy these trades with me. So you have this market moving to the downside right here. So we want to make sure that we sell at the right moment, because obviously we are in a downtrend. If you go to a bigger time frame, you might see that we can get it can get even clearer that the market is in a downtrend. So first, the market is in a downtrend and we are likely to get the market pushing to the downside. So I want to show you when I place my trades. So first of all, we have this zone right here. So the market is pushing, you can see the market is pushing to the downside, and we have this zone here. The market have just broken this zone. So what I'm waiting for here is for the market to push back into this zone, and then I will be looking to sell. So I'm waiting for the market to push back into the zone, and then we are going to sell from there, giving us our famous break and retest strategy. So you can see that these strategies that I show you, they really happen in the market, but just you have to have patience and wait for it to happen. So this zone, as you can see, it was respected multiple times, and since the market is back on that zone again, I'm expecting the market to respect that zone again and give me a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, with the market coming back into this zone right here. So that's what I think the market is gonna do on Euro USD. So this is the 4 hour time frame. I'm thinking the market is gonna come back, retest this and sell. So you need to sell at this zone. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put an alert when the market is back into this zone. I'm gonna put an alert so that trading view will notify me when the market comes back into that zone. So make sure you deal with it, and you also put alerts, because alerts will help you so that when you are not looking into the market, trading is just going to alert you if the market comes back here, so that it will be time for you to start selling this market. So this is our first trade. This is 4 hour time frame, and on 15-minute time frame it might look a little bit bigger, but this is how it goes, right? So we are looking for the market to come back into this big zone right here. So this is just a smaller time frame, but we are looking for the market to come back into this zone. If things go well, it might come back into this zone, and also to get a good trade, we might get a trend line which might look like this, but this is just a prediction, guys. This is not, I'm not saying I know what the market is going to do, but I know for sure that if the market comes back into this zone, we are going to be looking to sell. But I don't know when is that going to happen. I'll just wait for the market to push and hit my alert so that I can sell. So let me go back to the 1 hour time frame so that it's clear to see. Okay, now done with this one, let's move on to the next one, which is going to be another good trade again. So the next trade that I'm going to place here is going to be the GBPUSD. Before I talk about this, I want you to know about the boom and crash blaster. This is a robot that trades boom and crash for you automatically. Make sure you check out the link in the description below. Now let's move on to GBPCAD. So we have GBPCAD have already done the thing that we thought is gonna do. So the market was pushing to the upside right here from here. So let's do this. Let's open our drawing tool here. Just a second. Zoom it. Where is the app? Come on, man. This is the app I should close. So you can see the market was pushing to the upside here, creating an uptrend right here. You can see the market pushing up to this point, and then when it reaches this point, as we always say, it fails to break to the upside. Then we are looking for a double top here, and it happens. The market crosses the neckline, comes back, retests the neckline, and pushes to the downside. This was a good selling trade right here. But since we missed it, we get another pullback into this previous zone here, and we're expecting prices to push to the downside. So if you are just watching this, you might be interested to be placing your trades right now, which is exactly what I'm going to do, right? So you can see that here the market retested once, 2 times, and now it breaks, it came back, it created some huge candlesticks here. So I'm going to be selling GBPCAD right now. My trade is going to look like this. So it looks like we've just started the downtrend here, and if this is really a downtrend, I'm expecting the market to at least push to this point right here, giving me 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if the market pushes, and then maybe if it closes below this zone, I'll push my stop loss to break even, and then see if we can get pushed to the downside or even all the way up here. So I can put 4-to-1, 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but note that I'm gonna close my trades anyway after the market reaches this zone or break this zone. I might not really wait for all this, right? So I have 6,200. I have some equity here which I want to use. Okay, so GBPCAD. So GBPCAD. Where's GBPCAD? Okay, I'm going to do this, right? GBPCAD. This is going to be our trade, and it's going to be on the 1 hour time frame, right? So I'm just making sure that we are seeing the same thing right here. You can see the market pushes here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and place my trade. I'm going to use 2 lots, right? 2 standard lots here for this one. So it's just going to be a new trade, and we're just going to put 2 standard lots for this one, and it's just going to be a clear sell trade, right? So since I sold here, I started with -$32 spread. Wow, that's huge. Let's put our stop loss right above here, and then our take profit is going to be all the way down. As I said, the stop loss and the take profit doesn't really change how am I going to manage this trade, but I just want to make sure that if things go wrong, I'll automatically be out of the market before I lose a lot of money. So it seems like I placed my trade is too big here. I should have placed a little bit smaller lot size, but anyways, if it goes in my direction, it's gonna be a huge advantage for me. So I just placed the first trade right here. So let's move on to the third one, and then I'll show you a few more, and then we close this up. So here you have the market pushing to the downside in a rapid manner here. So the market is pushing to the downside here in a rapid manner. You can see it might be a long-term downtrend. If you look at the long term of this market, you can see that there is a zone right here which has been tested multiple times, once, twice, even before that. So this zone has been tested multiple times. So what I'm expecting here is, again, this is GBPUSD. I'm expecting prices to push back into this zone, and then we'll look to sell at this zone. So we have a downtrend, we have an area of value. When the market comes back into this zone, we're going to be looking for rejection candles, and then we place our trade. So I'm going to place an alert right there. So you can see all my trades for today are almost the same. They are all sell trades doing the same thing, waiting for a break and retest to a major zone. Right here we have another market which is pushing so I thought this market was going to go up, and I marked this zone. I was waiting for the market to come back here to retest before it went down, but unfortunately it didn't come all the way down. So I'm gonna assume that I will place a trade right here, but this is not a convincing market for me. The reason why is because after this huge move right here, we didn't get a clear pullback that covers this gap. So I'm expecting prices to reverse at some point, either cover this, but I don't know about that. So let me skip this one and let's look into the next one. Right, so this is another clear good trade here. So you can see the market is doing almost the same thing. I think it's because it's Monday today. We have again this market with a clear gap here. So this market might want to close this gap, but for now you can see we have a clear break and retest trade here. We can't ignore that. We need to place our trade. So you have the market pushing down up here, breaks coming back into this zone. I'm expecting to sell right now. So what I'm waiting for here is a clear is a black candle for me. It's a black candle, but let's just say I'm waiting for a red candle to be created here, showing momentum. That momentum might be going to the downside. So if I see a big black candle or a red candle, maybe in your case, I will be selling right now. So what I will do here is I will just go back here, and this is odd USD. This is the another trade for today. So odd USD, which is right here. So let's just open the charts. Let's put it right here. Odd USD. That's 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is odd USD. You can see the market is on a bigger trend here. So what I want to do here is I want to place I want to make sure that if the market drops downside here, I'm gonna be automatically in the market. So I will place a sell stop trade here. So let's go to our new order. Then we go from market execution pending order. You're gonna put sell stop, and our sell stop is gonna be around at the below the open of this trade right here. So this candle right here, so it's gonna be somewhere around here. So it's gonna be 0.6481. 6481. So this is below where the price is at right now. So if the market, you can see here, so if the market creates a red candle and then it closes below this zone right here, we are going to be inside in the market, right? So let's just put a stop loss for this one, and I won't put a take profit. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, 6496, just like this made. Okay, so this stop loss is gonna be here, and once the market hits the stop, the sell stop, we are going to look again where to put our take profit. So I'm gonna ignore the take profit for this one. Once it gets into the market, I'm gonna be notified, and I will have two trades at the same time, hoping to make some money from this. So I'll close this. So my trade here is a sell stop, but it's somewhere around this zone right here. So at the close of this previous candle, it's gonna be looking something like this, and we'll see what happens with this one, right? So these are the 4 trades these are the 4 ideas that I have today so far. If I do have another ideas, I will let you know later today. I will send you either on Telegram or I will do another stream. Thank you for being here with me at this point. I am so excited, and I'm sure that you are going to like these ideas. Hopefully we have our 2 trades. This one, so we have our 2 trades. So we have this one, right, which is with the one that we just placed, and then we have this one, right? So these are our 2 trades that are live, and then we are also waiting for the market to come back into this zone. On Euro USD, we might get a winning trade, and then we also have GBP. This is GBPUSD. We are also waiting for the market to come back into that zone, and then we sell. So we sold 2 trades. We are waiting for another 2 trades to sell. Thank you for being with me. I will see you in the next one. So as soon as we finish up this one, make sure you remain on YouTube, because I'm dropping. I will close this stream and I'll start another one in like 5 minutes where I'm analyzing synthetic indices. I just don't want it to be one stream. I want it to be 2 different streams. So I'm just gonna close this one, and then I'll start another stream right now for synthetic indices. So I'm just gonna give you like 10 minutes to place your trades, and I'll drop another stream. So don't go anywhere. Be here, because we are going to make profits today.